Here I will be replacing a DC jack on a ASUS UX305 family laptop. I've already removed the old DC jack just using a heat gun to desolder it. I'll show you how you can solder the new DC jack. You need to make sure you get the top and the bottom position correct. If you put it in the wrong way, you have to remove it and put it in the right way. Use a strong and solid board holder, something like this, which will help you do the job much better and quicker. I applied a little bit of flux and then secured the DC jack by applying a little bit of soldering iron around the pins that are easily exposed, and then use the heat gun to fully penetrate the board and sit perfectly, and then use soldering iron again at the end to make sure all the ports, all the pins are nice and secure. And just secure and solder it all the way around. To me that looked pretty good, nice and stable and flush. Lastly, ensure the DC jack is working.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.